Workers' compensation benefits are generally available to employees who suffer work-related injuries or illnesses. In Oklahoma, including Creek County, whether an injured worker qualifies for workers' compensation often depends on whether the individual is legally classified as an employee or an independent contractor. The general rule in most situations, true independent contractors are not covered by an employer's workers' compensation insurance. Independent contractors are typically considered self-employed and are responsible for obtaining their own insurance coverage if they want protection for work-related injuries. As a result, if an independent contractor is injured while performing work in Creek County, workers' compensation benefits are usually not automatically available through the company that hired them. Employee versus independent contractor. A worker's job title alone does not determine their status. Courts and administrative agencies may look beyond an independent contractor agreement to evaluate the actual working relationship. In some cases, a worker labeled as an independent contractor may actually be considered an employee under the law. If that occurs, workers' compensation benefits may become available despite the contractual designation. Misclassification issues. Worker misclassification is a common issue in construction, transportation, oil and gas, delivery services, and other industries. A company cannot necessarily avoid workers' compensation obligations simply by calling someone an independent contractor. If an injured worker can demonstrate that they functioned as an employee rather than an independent contractor, they may be able to pursue workers' compensation benefits. Exceptions and additional coverage. Some independent contractors purchase their own occupational accident insurance or workers' compensation policies. Certain contractors may also be covered through contractual arrangements or industry-specific insurance programs. Additionally, special circumstances sometimes arise involving subcontractors, staffing arrangements, or multiple business entities that may affect coverage questions. What should an injured worker do? If you were injured while working in Creek County and are unsure whether you are an employee or an independent contractor, it is important to review any documents you may have. Even if you were classified as an independent contractor, you may still have legal options depending on the facts of your situation. Because coverage depends heavily on the specific facts of each case, injured workers should seek legal guidance to determine whether workers' compensation benefits or other remedies may be available.